गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, आपका स्वागत है यूट्यूब चैनल पे रोल ऑफ डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजीज। जो आज का जो टॉपिक है कि हाउ टू इम्प्लीमेंट टॉफी क्राइटेरिया इन एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन। क्राइटेरिया फिफ्थ, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग एट लीस्ट वन टोबैको कंट्रोल एक्टिविटी ड्यूरिंग लास्ट 6 months। The objective of criteria fifth, to create awareness on harms of tobacco, promote healthy and tobacco-free lifestyle among the school community, encourage students to become tobacco control ambassador, and spread awareness among peers, families, and community. Strengthening the tobacco-free school environment through regular awareness and participation. Prevent initiation of tobacco use among children and adolescents. Reinforce the message that tobacco use is harmful and should be avoided. Suggested activities. What type of activity you have done in your school to compliance? Fifth indicator. Activities on World No Tobacco Day, 31st May. Street play and skit. Anti-tobacco pledge during morning assembly. Debate or speech competition. Awareness rally. Quiz on tobacco and its harmful effect. Poster making competition. Essay or slogan competition. Awareness session by a health expert or law enforcement officer. These are the suggested activities as per TOEFL guideline. So make sure you have done this, any one of this, any of out of this, any one of you have picked any one of activities and done your educational institution. Evidence for TOEFL. Once you have done those activities, make sure you have also documented the activities information, such as take clear photograph, video of the activity, keep the date, activity name and brief description, preserve evidence for school records and TOEFL assessment, upload the required evidence in the TOEFL system wherever applicable. One key message for teachers. One activity can create awareness, but regular awareness can create a tobacco-free generation. So I hope every school teacher, head of the institution, done these activities to compliance fifth criteria of TOEFL guideline. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful to all the teachers, designated staff to compliance TOEFL criteria fifth, organizing at least one tobacco control activity every 6 months in their respective school.